Unit 9, Video 3, Adding and Subtracting Radicals. So it's a little different than multiplying. You still have to simplify. But the thing about radicals is you can have like radicals and add them. So this would be 5 square root of 3. If you have unlike radicals, you can't add them, and that would just be the answer. So it's like terms. Remember, like 2x plus 3y. We can't combine those. That's just the answer. So radicals are the same way. Okay, so make sure the radicals are the same before you add or subtract them. Okay, so in this one, so we're going to look at our radicals. So this is square root of 5 and this is square root of 5. They're the same, so I can go ahead and add or subtract in this case. So it's 7 minus 9, which is negative 2, and then square root of 5. And that's your answer. On this one, the square roots or the radicals are not the same. However, they can be simplified. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do my factor tree, just like what we did when we multiplied. Okay, oops, that's a 5. Okay, so I have a pair of 5s. So that gives me 20 square root of 2. Okay, now I'm going to simplify 18. And that gives me a pair of 3s, and the 2 stays in. Now they're like terms, so I can take the 20 plus the 3, and I get 23 square root of 2, and that's my answer. All right, next one's 3 of them. Okay, so the first thing I notice when I see this one is the smallest square root 3. Okay, that can't be combined, or that can't be simplified anymore, so I'm looking to see if those are going to have a 3 left. Okay, so let's go ahead and take 27. That is 9 times 3. 3 is prime. And then 3 breaks up into 3. I have a pair of 3s, so I'm going to bring that out. So I get 9 square root of 3. Now this one can't simplify, so I'm going to bring it down. And then the 12 is 4 times 3. 3 is prime. 2 and 2 are prime. So I have a pair of 2s, so I'm going to bring that out and multiply it. So that's 8 now, square root of 3. Okay, now they all have the same square root, so I can combine them all. Sometimes just 2 of them will, and then the third one won't. So just combine the ones that are exactly the same. So 9 and negative 5 is 4, plus 8 is 12, square root of 3. Okay, and that's your answer. So that's adding and subtracting.